Okay guys, so if you want to see how I take this dry, overworked, bone dry, bone straight hair and turn it into this, just stay tuned. Next, I am going to be doing a Prepoo. It's just to add more moisture back into my hair, especially my ends, because one, I put the most heat personally, and also, as you can see, I do have blonde color treated hair, so just to make sure that those ends are really taken care of, I make sure that I put an oil on my scalp to try to get away any product buildup, and also this oil has peppermint and almond oil in it. So it really does help stimulate your scalp. And then, like I said, to make sure those ends are getting nourishment, I make sure I put some black castor oil on those as well. So there I was showing that I'm not that good with curling wands and stuff. I can use a curling iron, but a curling wand for some reason just does not work with me. And I've been trying to get better at it, and I burned myself. So I'm just gonna wet my hair a little bit, put in a little bit of this Shea Moisture coconut conditioner in. I'm going to just rub this in. I'm gonna just pull my hair back and probably leave this in for about 5 minutes while I get ready to go take a shower. So the first step for me may not be the first step for everyone. This really depends on if you have blonde color treated hair. So for me, the first step is to use a purple shampoo just to try to get out any brassiness that may have happened while I had my hair straight. I'm just going to go in with this moisturizing shampoo from Pro 23 Infusion and just lather my hair up with that. The last shampoo I go in with is the Shea Moisture Smooth and Tame, and for some reason that makes my hair super soft, so that's literally the only reason why I use that shampoo. And then the last thing I do is I put in a tea tree oil conditioner, and I put it on my scalp and all over my head just to get my scalp going, and I just like the way the tingle feels, and also just to give my hair a little condition while I wash the rest of my body, and then I rinse it out before I get out the shower. A t-shirt or a microfiber towel and just dry my hair out, which I've already done. Now from this step, I'm just going to comb out my hair. I put 1/2 up just to make it easier for me to comb out my hair. And if you're wondering what's in that green spray bottle, it's just a mixture of oils and leave-in conditioner. So the first oil I'm going to go in with is a tea tree oil, just to growth and to combat any dandruff I may have built up while my hair was straight. Next oil I will be going in with is the peppermint and almond oil, just because I love how it feels on my scalp. I love the tingle, and I know it helps promote hair growth. The last oil I'll be going in with is the black castor oil on my ends, just to make sure that my ends get all of the love and nourishment that they need. So the first hair mask I'm putting on my hair is this one by Curls. It's on their green line or their green collection. It comes with a little spoon because it's really just that thick, but I couldn't find it, so I used this old toothbrush that I used to use for my edges to try to get it out. It is really that thick. The next deep conditioner I'm going in with is Lavender Moisturizing Deep Conditioner from Camille Rose, and I'm just putting that all over the root to shaft of my hair. I put the lighter deep conditioner on the root to shaft and the thicker deep conditioner on my ends. That's just personally how I like to do it. So I'm going to do that, and then just finger detangle my hair a little bit and then twist it up to try to make sure that while it's deep conditioning, I don't get any more tangles than I need to. And then I'm going to do the exact same thing to the other side. I wet it a little bit because it had dried out, but it's literally, I'm repeating all the same steps just on the other side of my head. So the last thing I'm putting in my hair is Intensive Hydration Deep Conditioner from Shea Moisture. I only put this in my crown and towards the top of this side of my hair. I realized I have different hair types in different areas, and that took a while for me to like comprehend. So for that area, which is the crown and a little bit towards the front of my hair, it does well off that conditioner, and I really only use that conditioner for that area. I actually got that from a curl specialist I went to go see. She helped me understand that you're going to have different hair types in different parts. Not every conditioner or not every product is going to work for your whole head a lot of the time. Just a fun tip for you guys. So I am going to be wearing this to sleep. You do not have to. Typically I only wear it for like 1 hour, maybe 2 hours, but I also filmed this video at like 10 o'clock at night, so I went to sleep with it on and it doesn't hurt. So now we're on the next morning. I'm not a morning person, so I had to get my coffee. So I'm just going to take down my hair and then go rinse it out. And sorry for all the mean mugging. Like I said, I'm just not a morning person. Like, my mind was still comprehending that I was waking up during this whole process. So again, just towel dry your hair with a t-shirt or a microfiber towel. And then I'm going to go in with some Pro 23 Infusion Protein leave-in conditioner. It's just a liquid leave-in conditioner that really helps build protein back into your hair, and I love it. Then again, I'm going to go in with a little bit Jamaican black castor oil on my ends and all over the shaft of my hair a little bit, just to lock in that moisture. And this really should hold me over until I start my curly hair routine. So this is the final product, you guys. I really hope you guys loved this video. If you did, please like this video, share this video, comment down below what your favorite curly hair products are. And I hope you guys stick around for more content. One of the next 2 videos you will be seeing will be my curly hair routine. So I really hope you guys stick around to see that. I hope you have a great day. Bye.